Hey you guys, I just want to drop in real quick and give you a quick unboxing of the Fenty Beauty, the new Fenty Beauty stuff that I got.
I'm sweet sunny love, got a suitcase heart. I live to travel and I love to start DIY.
We have the guava body butter, and inside this same box is the guava lip oil. Yes, the lip oil. So I do want to try it one for you guys. Oh, it smells so good. Yes. And it smells just like guava. Oh, it's so silky and smooth. I'm definitely using this one. I'm adding this stuff to my already Fenty Beauty body and face stuff. This smells absolutely phenomenal. It's still so smooth after. Oh my God. And then here's the guava lip oil. Oh, nice applicator. Yes. Oh, this smells so wonderful. That's the lip oil. The Dew and Plump. This is for the hydration slushy mask. Oh my goodness, look at the packaging, you guys. This is so pretty. Look at the glass packaging. Oh my God. So we're gonna pull this out. Oh wow, it's an applicator to put on our face. Oh my God, that is so smart. So we have that. We're gonna pull this back. Look at this. Oh my God, it's perfection. Just gonna take some off the top and show you. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna use this tonight. I have to use this tonight before I go to bed. And it's just so plump. Wow. Silky smooth. I'm gonna go wash this off, but I just wanted to show you guys. Next, we have the hydrating serum of the Dew and Plump. Look how like application goes on. Oh my God, look how hydrating this is. I cannot get enough of Fenty Beauty products. And this one is the Hydrating Nectar Glow Serum. So after you scrub your face, you're gonna put this on to moisturize. And also remember, use your sunscreen. Sunscreen is our best friend. I have the Cherry Dub that came out. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, I'm in love. Look at the chair. Look at the color. Look at the packaging. This is glass. Look. Fenty, you always outdoing yourself, girl. Riri. Look at that. Oh, this smells just like cherry. Wow. And I'm gonna wash this off, you guys. Trust me, I'm gonna wash it off, but I just need to feel it. And look how lathery it gets before I even put water on it. That's awesome. And last but not least, I had to restock on the Hydra Visor. I already had some, but I needed some more. And just so you guys know I'm not lying, this is my mini travel Hydra Visor. So I was running out anyway. This is the replacement. Big difference. Big difference. I needed the big one. Travel one did what it needed to do, but I needed some more. Retreat lip oil. And I want to try this on tip. I have the guava and the cherry, you guys. And I'm just feeling like that girl. Look how smooth this goes on, you guys. So cute. And I feel like you don't need much. You don't need a lot. And I'm loving all my Fenty Beauty stuff. Shout outs to Rihanna. Shout outs to the Fenty Beauty team. Thank you so much. I really am happy with my purchase. Bye.